Greetings everyone, welcome back again. Welcome back to Reggae Roots Market. Well, today we got a simple one today, man. We're just doing some nice wings, some nice fried wings, chicken wings. And we do some rice, and we got some nice little veg on the side. So now we're just cutting up. You know how we do. We just got up our natural seasoning. You know how it is. We have to do it good and proper, man. All natural. So we got some bell peppers, all the colors, as much color as you can. Today we only have the green and red. Got some onions, some spring onions, some garlic, and some thyme. So just cut those up. Yeah, man, we have to do that. Yes, this is our wings, all washed and ready to get seasoned up. You know how it is. There's some nice wings there, man. So we have our powdered seasoning. So we have our salt, jerk seasoning. The proper seasoning, that how we do it, man. We have to nice it up and thing, Got all-purpose chicken season, your jerk seasoning. The cayenne pepper. You can't do it without the cayenne pepper. You got some chili powder as well. Just nice it up, man. Yeah, man. So we just add our natural seasoning now, to nice it up even more. You should smell the flavors that's coming through, man. It's sweet, it's smelling good. And it's just seasoning. It's nothing yet. You should wait till it go on the fire. Crazy, man. It's crazy, but it's sweet, man. It's sweet, Yeah, so we're gonna add some veggies to our little meal today, but today I'm gonna do a little bit different. This way, everything different all the time. Can't do the same thing all the time. You have to just switch it up sometimes, So today, I normally put them separate, with the veg. You can do a separate pot and that for them from scratch. But now I'll mix it in with the wings, so you can catch all that flavor as well from the wings, So I just put them in, mix them in, season it up as well, so you get all the seasoning from the wings as well. And then so I got some mushrooms, got some potatoes, got some broccolis, baby broccolis. So got some beans. I'm gonna get some carrots as well. And yeah, man, nice it up, man, nice it up. Alright, so I'm just gonna get our rice ready. So we got some basmati rice. So I'm just gonna wash our rice now and get it ready to go on fire, you know. You know how it goes, everything have to get seasoned down to the rice. So we're gonna put some spring onion in the rice, a bit of thyme. I don't even have any butter, so I'll just put a little bit of oil in it and you're good to go. A bit of salt and that's it, man. Nice up the rice, man, nice it up. This is where we mix up our little flour, and you know, we spice it up a bit, you know. Can't be no plain flour. Spice it up with your seasoning and your baking powder and thing. Make that chicken nice and fluffy. Yeah. So I do a little mix, so my little wings them can go in there and, you know, do the thing, man. Do the thing. Yes, you know, we have to add some flavor to the oil. We just add some thyme and some garlic. Much more nicer when you add it like that. More flavor, more flavor. Yes, just checking our rice. You know, our rice have to be shelly. You know, look nice. Yeah, man, almost ready, almost ready. Oil is ready, so we're gonna drop our wings in now. Make them get nice and golden brown, nice and sweet. Yeah, man. So just stay tuned, man. Watch. Alright, gonna deal with our little veggies now. So, I'll use the flour from the coating of the chicken and use that to thicken up our little sauce that we're gonna be making with our little veg in there. It'll be nice and thick with the veg. It'll be sweet, man. Nice, guys. So try it out and thing, Yeah, so just try and mix that out, mix out all the lumps. Use cold water, it's easier. It makes it a lot easier to mix out the lumps from the flour. So you just go with cold water, mix it out, nice and easy, boom, Yeah, man, look on the wings them, man, look on them, look, they're looking nice, coming up nice, man, looking sweet. Almost ready, yeah. Just add our veg to our little pot now. Nice, looking good. Look at the colors in there, man. A whole heap of things are gone. Nice. So just put that in. Let that stay there and simmer. Nice and gentle, man. Don't need to rush this one. Just leave it there to steam out and thing. Yeah. come, let me show you how this gravy is with the veg inside. Look at it, look at it. Come on, have a look. It smells so good, man. Look, nice and thick gravy with a little veg in there and thing. Nice, nice. Who beg now get, and who no beg no want. Yes, smelling good, looking good, ready to go. Yeah, man, it's looking beautiful, man. Smelling so sweet, it's unreal. You guys need to try this one out, man. Try it out. You won't regret.